Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Here we see this beautiful pixie haircut. She has absolutely gorgeous curls in the front and the bang portion of the hair. Super chic and volumized pixie. And then we see another pixie haircut transformation. This one does feature a hot red hair coloring. As you guys already know, red hair is very popular at the moment. And I think that this red pixie is just a great combination of combining two very popular trends in one. So next up we see someone with the natural curls getting their hair colored. Oh, she dyed her hair blonde, like a sandy blonde. Really pretty. And if you guys are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a hair video. So here we see another beautiful, brilliant pixie haircut transformation. And then we see this next woman going from boring hair to having her hair beautifully kind of styled. Nice wavy texture added. Makeup and everything. She looks beautiful. And then we see this gorgeous pixie haircut. This one is a nice classic color. Beautiful shape and texture throughout. Amazing. So then we see someone with grown out colored hair. Get a nice color refresh along with some bangs added to help frame her face. So I don't know about you guys, but I always feel so inspired watching these videos. If you feel the same, check these out as well, and I will see you in the next video.